semuanya, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan
bahagia.
Kembali lagi di acara tradisional tuh internasional. Saya suka masak masakan yang sederhana tapi dengan gizi yang bagus, yang baik, serta dengan penampilan yang baik sesuai dengan temanya tradisional tuh internasional. Kali ini sesuai dengan permintaan pemirsa, saya akan bikin kangkung. Saya tunjukin kangkung yang saya miliki. Makanan biasa-biasa saja, makan sehari-hari di Indonesia, kangkung atau namanya morning glory. Seperti biasa tantangan saya masak simple, cantik penyajian, dan juga enak rasanya. Dan saya masak dengan high heel pemirsa dan berbaju smart. Ini trademarknya dari tradisional to internasional. Cukup ditumis dengan bumbu-bumbu dasar ini saja. Ada bawang merah, bawang putih, terus ada cabai dan ada tomat. Simple aja. Oke, tambahan saya punya udang. Kebetulan hanya udang yang punya di rumah ini. Jadi saya goreng udang tepung saja. Kalau gitu saya cuci bersih dulu ya ini kangkungnya ini. Biasanya sih kalau saya nyangin kangkung, pucuk-pucuknya ini tinggal dipakai tangan aja. Mengetahui bahwa ini adalah kangkungnya ini adalah masih muda, bebas saja mau potong cara bagaimana. Satunya buat goreng tepung udang dan satunya juga buat kangkung. Oke, sekarang saya ini dulu, hidupin dulu kompornya untuk menumis kangkung dan juga untuk goreng tepung ini. Putihnya saya goreng dengan bawang merah. Nah, saya tidak memasukkan cabai berbarengan, dicampur pada saat menumis. Cabai, rasa cabainya itu akan terasa pedas. Bagi orang yang nggak suka pedas itu bahaya ya, jadi nanti cabainya saya pisahin terakhir saja. Oke, saya masukin aja yang ini. Bumbu tepungnya ini gampang banget ya, saya tidak pakai tepung roti karena teksturnya agak-agak gimana gitu ya. Saya lebih suka yang pakai tepung saja. Masaknya sudah selesai, sekarang saatnya mendekorasi makanan. Nah, ini bagian yang paling mengasihkan ya, karena ini butuh ide-ide pemirsa. Jadi idenya selalu datang begitu saja. Kita lihat saja nanti bagaimana hasil dari kangkung ini, oke? Nah, jadi kedua-duanya ini sama persis hari ini. 3 biji ininya, udangnya dan kangkungnya juga sama. Nasinya juga ukurannya sama. Semua sama, nggak ada bedanya. Ini kedua-duanya seperti ini pemirsa. Juri saya pemirsa, kita lihat bagaimana pendapat Dallas. Hello Dallas, how are you today?
Good.
Okay, which one do you like?
Oh, which one's the best again?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the same.
This is an easy one. This one, of course, that one.
Why?
Because this one looks, it's the same, but this one doesn't look that pretty.
Okay.
But this one looks good.
Okay.
And also at the bottom there's chili sauce, and I kind of like chili sauce, but not too much, but there's loads of chili sauce there, so not this one. And also it doesn't look good. This one £10, this one 20.
20. Okay. Thank you, Dallas. Bye. Hi, everybody.
I'm good news. I'm good news. Sorry, on camera.
She is good news. Jadi namanya good news. Always good news. Okay. Because Sap is not working today,
Yep.
so
I'm covering for him.
You cover for him. So this is the first time you joined in my video.
Yes.
So pemirsa, jadi ini adalah good news. Dia adalah orang baru pengganti Sap. Sap masih kerja. Jadi kalau Sapnya nggak kesini, good news yang gantinya. So do you know what is the kind of the food? What country?
Not really. Not really.
Just guess. What do you think?
It's rice. Everybody eats rice. Let's say Vietnamese.
Vietnamese?
Oh. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No worry.
Because it's rice and veggies, and it's kind of like common. Everyone eats rice and veggies, so it's really hard to place. I'm sorry.
Okay. Dal, what's that kind of this food?
Indonesian.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I'm sorry. I'm
Don't
sorry.
worry.
It's my first. It's my first. It's
Just
my first.
right. Now, this is Indonesian food. Are you allergy with some food? Something?
Nah.
No. You like the spicy?
Yep. Please, the spicy are the better.
Wah, enak. Pemirsa dia suka yang pedas-pedas. Okay. So today I'm cook this. This is normally Indonesian people eat a daily food like a meal or lunch or
What is it
dinner.
called?
This is a rice with kangkung.
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 Kangkung. This the vegetable dengan glory morning in English.
Glory morning.
Yeah.
That's a first for me as well.
Yes. Everything is very. The name is good, right?
Yeah.
Your name is good news. This is morning glory.
Nice. Morning glory. That's a good name for it. I've never heard of that before.
Yes. Okay, and this is a prawn.
Yeah.
So today I make two portion, but both of them is same size, same cook. Everything is same, nothing different.
Yeah. The plating is different.
Different. So, in your opinion, which one you prefer?
Well. This.
Honest opinion.
Yeah,
Okay.
this homemade, you know, you cook at home, and this is like typically the way you plate it because no one has time to, to arrange it like this. So it looks homemade, something you get when you are home. This looks restaurant style, like when you go to a restaurant and they plate and all, the design make it look nice. So when they tell you it's £100, you have to pay because it takes time to arrange all this. But it's the same. I'm surprised it's the same thing. It goes to show that plating or styling of the meal kind of make it look different because you're using the same. It's the same ingredient.
Everything is same. Even the size of the rice, everything vegetable is same.
Wow. I'm surprised really because you wouldn't tell the whole arrangement, and it's really nice, really. But for me, I feel like this is more than this because I love food. So when she told me about the food, I was like, yay, food. Yeah. So I think this will fill me more. I'm surprised it's the same size.
Yes. Same size.
It's the same size?
Yes.
I would have the two if you give me the two. Because this I feel like I'm in a restaurant. If you tell me this is £20 or £30, I don't have a choice to pay. I have to pay. I mean, it looks good. It looks good. But if you tell me this is like £20, I'm like, why £20? I mean, it's just rice and veggies from home. So they both look nice. Very, very nice. Good job with this. I mean, it's really nice. I love it.
Yeah.
I love
you
it.
deserve.
Thank you. This looks homemade, so I might be thinking how much is the rice, how much is the shrimp, how much is the veggie. Give or take 10 to 12 pounds, rice is like £2 or so. So I would like calculate in my head how much is rice from the market. Yeah. But with this one, I don't even know what's there. So I'm like, oh, it's fancy, People pay more for fancy things. So.
Okay.
See this? I'm like, very nice.
So
this is good. This is good plating. So I'm gonna have a taste.
Okay.
I want to know what it tastes like. I'm in a restaurant. So my meal just came, and I love what I'm seeing. Even if I wasn't hungry before, I'm dying to try this out. Like I really want to know what it tastes like. And so I don't want to spoil the plating. It's so fine. All right. So I'm just gonna take from the edge because I don't want to ruin the whole plate. We might still want some pictures later. This reminds me of a meal from back home. You know, I'm Nigerian and it's like eating rice and veggies. This veggies taste like, it reminds me of home, you know?
Oh.
Home in Nigeria where you have the rice and the veggie, and I miss home. It's really nice, thank you.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Oh, you miss the home.
So yeah, it tastes like home.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna have another spoon to get that feeling again.
For today.
Thank you. It's very, very nice. I'm so happy. Thank you.
So,
Good news?
good news. Enjoy the food.
I loved it.
Oh, just.
I miss home. I miss home.
So I just leave good news. Enjoy the food because I don't want to disrupt her.
Thank
It's
you.
thinking
I
about
get
home.
shy. I
That's-
get shy. Thank you very much.
Okay, good news.
Thank you so much for
my
the food.
pleasure.
It made my day.
Oh.
I am very lucky. I get restaurant style food.
Oh.
Good for me. Good news is it's really working for me.
Your name is lovely.
Thank you
Good
very
news.
much.
Do you have a story about that, your name?
Well, there's no story per se. It's just, I feel like it's a last minute thing, you know. When you don't have a name for your child and you just see the baby, I'm like, it's good news.
Oh, wow.
So I feel that's what happened. They didn't say anything, but I just feel that's what happened.
That is very, very good.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Yeah.
And you look good.
Because I'm in the video, I'm cooking. I challenge, I'm cooking with high heel.
Uh-huh.
With the,
Really?
Seriously. Because the way I'm cook, this is traditional. This is the smart, the
Restaurant
way.
Yeah.
It's my challenge. It look like I will go to the restaurant.
Oh, wow.
Whatever food we put, if we make it design,
Yeah.
we not only sell the food, we sell the art.
That makes sense.
Even like this, people think I'm like a businesswoman or something
True.
like that.
Yeah.
But I'm not, I just cook. So because the way we're wearing, same like the food.
Yes.
That is the education of the cooking
I
today.
see. Yes. I love it. I love your dedication to the job.
Thank you. So
Thank you.
people think, oh, cook mess, expensive. No, nothing expensive. Same
Simple.
ingredient. But when we make pretty, the price is more expensive.
True.
Yeah. Oke, jadi segitu aja ya pemirsa video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan thumb. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you very
You want
much.
to say bye-bye also? So, this is good news here.
Hi to our little assistant. Bye.
Bye. We love good news, is it?
Yeah.
I love you too. Thank you very much. Thank you for the food.